Now, there are good videos and there are amazing videos, and this two Ukrainian Su-25M1 fighter jets returning from a combat mission in Kherson Oblast are just that. Ukrainian Ministry of Defense wrote on Twitter, "Just imagine what these guys will be capable of when they switch to the F-16. Ukraine's Operational Command South reported on September 5 that the Russian 127th Regiment of the 1st Army Corps refused to perform their duties due to a lack of support and poor conditions, including a lack of water. And in liberated Vysokopolia, Kherson Oblast citizens greet Ukrainian soldiers. A grant to cheering Slava Ukraini. I think this phrase does not need translation anymore.
Слава Україні!
Да, героям слава! Да, да, і вам дякую. Такая у нас поход.
Коля, сокер!
Парни,
Високополье свободно!
да, 4 вересня.
Освобождение села.
Слава Україні!
Героям слава!
The Institute for the Study of War reported that the Ukrainian army makes verifiable progress in Ukraine's south and east, and Russia continues to sustain losses in southern Ukraine. Operational Command South reports that they killed 104 Russian troops and destroyed 6 tanks, 9 Masta-S and Masta-B howitzers, 1 UAV, and 26 armored and military vehicles on September 4. The U.S. think tank reports that Ukrainian troops are advancing in several directions in the western Kherson Oblast and have secured the area across the Siversky Donets River in Donetsk Oblast. Meantime, the UK intelligence is saying that Russia repeatedly misses deadlines to occupy entire Donbas. UK Defense Secretary Ben Wallace says, Ukraine is making real progress in its offensive on Kherson. Since June, Ukraine carried out 350 long-range strikes on Russian high-value targets. He says latest estimate of Russian troops killed now over 25,000 with killed injured captured 80,000. The Ukrainian authorities have claimed that Russian troops have a September 15 deadline for seizing all of the Donbas, but they are highly unlikely to achieve this, the UK Defense Ministry said. Ukraine also attacks Russian bases in occupied Kamyanka-Dniprovska, Zaporizhia Oblast. Ukraine's intelligence reported an explosion inside the storage where ballots for holding a staged referendum were kept, saying that all the paper materials were burnt down.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.